I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this VAUXHALL Antara. From anywhere on the menu, if you click nav, you've got start, navi, destination input, destination memory. So if we turn the wheel to destination input, and gosh, we've already got Chorley Road in there, that's bad. So we'll do it again. So we want, clicking the thumb wheel, Chorley Road, brings it up automatically. And then you've got no, start navi and save. Turning the wheel there till we get to start nav. Click forward.
The route is in the indicated direction.
That's it, simple as that. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to connect your phone to the Bluetooth system in the VAUXHALL Antara. First of all, from any menu, if you click main, also you need to make sure that your Bluetooth is switched on your phone. So no phone. Click on the phone symbol which is on the top. You can navigate to it if it's not already on with the thumb wheel on there or the thumb wheel on the steering wheel. The first thing I suggest is you go down to Bluetooth. Mine's already got a number in, which is 0000, but if yours hasn't, put one in. Okay, so then we want to start searching. It's looking for a phone. Let's pick my phone up, click to acknowledge. It's now asking you for a PIN number, which I already set to 0000. Barry's phone is added to paired devices, close, that's it. I'll just show you how to debond a phone from the Bluetooth system in the VAUXHALL Antara. We're on phone there, but if not, if anything else, if you click main and then, hang on, close that. Across the top there, music symbol, phone, navigation and car. So we turn that to phone, click phone. You've got paired devices down here. So we go to paired devices. My phone there, which is the one I want to delete, click on that. You've got either connect or remove. Just turn the wheel down to remove and it's gone. It's fairly simple.